So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is based on how to practice self-love. So lot of time we all actually know the importance of self-love, know the benefits of it and what is self-love. But how to practice this is the different thing, and let me tell you, it's not so big task. It's just a daily habit. A good nurturing to self is more important. So let's start with our points. So first thing is spend quality time with yourself. Now you will say how. So first, what you have to do is go for a walk or do a meditation or do yoga. Whatever you love, do it. Do for yourself. See how the difference will be. Like, take some time for yourself. Write down some notes that how you were a year before, a month before, and now you have achieved the goal, and write down the second step or later on steps. Like, this is how you can spend the quality time with yourself, and go for a walk where you like it. Go to that place that you had thought of it from so long time. So this is how you can spend good quality time with yourself. And the second thing is always repeat affirmative words. Now what does that mean? Is you have to always be affirmative about yourself. Being affirmative actually helps you to gain the confidence and self-esteem. So it's really important for you. So how you can do it? Always repeat these things, like you are the best. In front of mirror you have to stand and say you are the best, you are beautiful, I am proud of you, you have achieved this. Always say the affirmative things that actually helps you to take the next steps ahead. So third thing is love your body. How you have to moisturize your body. You can trim your hair to get rid of split ends. You can brush your teeth 2 times, and many more things you can do to love your body. You have to just take care of your body. That is how showing yourself that you love so much. Fourth is reward yourself. Obviously we love it. We get enthusiastic when you are getting something like surprise or some reward, some prize for doing something or completing that. So do reward yourself every time you complete one big task or at least small task, whichever you feel like I have achieved 1 milestone, 2 milestone. Then give yourself something that you always wanted to take. Like, you can go to a restaurant, you can even buy flowers every week, you can even buy a plant and do planting. So that's so amazing, right? So you can definitely do this. These are very small topics, right? Fifth one is take a break. Take a break to rejuvenate yourself. Take a break so that you can go get out of that work zone and refresh yourself and come back very stronger, better than before. You know what you can do is do your favorite thing. Like, if you like painting, do it. If you like crafts, do it. Go for any particular traveling. You love it, you have to do. So taking a break is really productive for yourself and your coming work. So do it and take a good break. So what is the conclusion then? The conclusion is start loving yourself. Don't wait for someone who will love you the way you deserve. Love yourself first, then the person who love you will love you definitely. There is no issue. But you should also love yourself first, because it is how someone will fall in love with you. Someone will get motivated to see that how much you love yourself. This is so amazing. I want to be like you. What are the tips? And this is how the positivity will be spread, right? If I am not wrong, let me know. So, and also start implementing it from today, because it's better to start from now than later, tomorrow, etc. Because it will take so much of time that you won't do it later on, obviously. So it's better you start now, because it's never too late. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and do like, comment, subscribe and share.